This is Code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do your best. Oh, I am so ready. The harvester needs to pick up all the corn. Okay. Do you see a pattern? Well, it kind of looks like stairs if that's what they mean. Oh, wow. Look at all these blocks we can use. Oftentimes, though, if they're saying pattern, if there's a pattern, that means we need to repeat things. And if we need to repeat things, oftentimes we can use a repeat block. All right, but before we use repeat, let's just try to solve it. So it looks like I need to go forward one, and then up, right? And I'm just going to be testing this, and maybe up again, and it's always okay to be wrong in code. You can test things a billion times. I'm wrong almost more than I'm right. Let me step through what I got, because I want to test. All right, yep, that one's right. Yep, that one looks good. And now I need to pick that corn and, oh, I decided to run into the wall. Not good. Okay, so obviously I would want to pick a corn here. Pick a corn. And then what? Well, we can take a look again. Oh, wait a minute though. What did I just miss? Boop. And so now I guess, boop. Great. So now what? I'm thinking east and pick some corn. Because remember, code always runs exactly in order. And finally, what would we want to do? If we're standing here, looks like to me, north and pick corn. Notice now, though, that we have used all of our blocks. There is a shortcut or a faster way to do this. This should work, right? But after we run it, I want to show you a quicker way to make it happen. Awesome. So let's take a look. Notice they have repeat 2 here. It's kind of a hint, like maybe you could repeat something twice instead of write it all out. Well, let me take a look here. East, pick corn, north, pick corn, east. Wait, that's the second time we said east. Wait a minute. East, east, pick corn, north, north, pick corn, pick corn. So instead of writing out all of these blocks twice, we could just put all of them, because there's no limit to what you can put in a repeat. So repeat twice. Let me get rid of this chunk of code. And now every block in here gets run twice. So the computer goes, okay, running. Okay, I'm going to repeat all this code twice. First run. East, pick, north, pick, boom. Oh, bottom. Okay, I have to go again, right? Yep, second time through. East, pick, north, pick, boom. Oh, and if there was code underneath it, it would run that then. Let's try this out. Notice now we're only using 6 out of 9 blocks. A lot less code, that will do the same thing. Pretty cool. Let's keep going.